Meaning of enamored.
Enamored.
Enamoured.
Enamoured.
Enamoured. Enamoured means to be filled with love or admiration for someone or something. It implies a deep and intense affection towards the object of one's enamorement. When someone is enamored, they may feel completely captivated by the person or thing they admire. This can lead to feelings of infatuation, devotion, and adoration. Enamorement often involves a strong emotional connection that can bring great joy and happiness, but it can also result in heartbreak and disappointment if it is not reciprocated. Overall, to be enamored is to experience a powerful and overwhelming feeling of fondness towards someone or something.